In today's video, I'm sharing some incredible hat cleaning tools that anyone can use, whether you're just starting out or even you're a seasoned pro. Now, these tools are easy to find and even easy to use, but they're absolutely a game changer that I've discovered after restoring hundreds of caps in my laundry business. The best part, everything I'm showing you can be used right at home, no professional equipment needed. Now, before we enter into the laundryverse, hit that like button so the earthly algorithm can do what it do. Thank you in advance. All right, so we are on day 13 of our laundry store. So as I have the game being played in the background, we're gonna go talk a few things about the laundry store and what's happening here. But let me tell you why I decided to make this video. So recently I've been getting flooded with calls, not just locally, but from all over the country, from people not really desperate to save their cats, but more in the sense of, hey, I need to restore my favorite vintage collection that I wear every day. So what I've noticed is that everyone's making the same mistakes or even using the method that could actually damage their hats when they send me photos of their hats. Obviously, they tried doing it themselves and realized, nah, it's not working out. I need someone to professionally do it. So that's when they call me and ask, how can I get you to clean it and ship it to you? Now, the tools and some of the techniques I'm going to be sharing in this video are the exact same ones I'm currently using on a lot of the caps I've been doing. And the best part, you can do this at home with the right tools I'm going to give you. Now, the first tool, as I open up the store, the first tool I'm going to be talking about is this right here, the foam pump with a silicone brush. Now this brush right here come one of my secret to cleaning hat. Just happened to bump into looking at it when I go out to the shop, and I saw that this had a silicone base to it and it was a foam pump, and it was actually facial or the health and beauty area. So it's not in your typical area where you will find a brush for cleaning. It was more of just in the health and beauty that's meant for your face. So when I discovered this facial cleaner, I thought maybe it could possibly work for hat, mainly because of the liquid I can use and the silicone won't damage the fabric of the hat or the bristles at all. Now, the soft silicone bristles are gentle enough not to damage the fabric. As I said, the foam pump creates a perfect amount of cleaning solution, and the brush design reaches all the different tough spots on the hat. Now, regarding what to use to clean the hat, something basic use is get some Dawn hydrogen peroxide. That's a basic cleaning solution. It'll get most of the tough stains, so those backed up grease hair follicles that's left in your hat and the brim. So that's a good way to start with this foam pump brush silicone. Now next, let's talk about the hat cage deep cleaning. 3 ways you can technically use this hat cage, which is 1, in the wash machine, which is probably the ideal way to use it. 2, a dishwasher. I've never used that method before, done it with the hat cage. 3 is the soaking method. The soaking method is probably the best way, deep in the nooks and crannies of the hat, so it can soak in a solution for a few hours. That will definitely get lift up a lot of the dirt and grime from your hat. Now, each of these methods will work with cleaning your hat. Now, using the wash machine, I would suggest getting the cage with the mesh. If you do it without the mesh, it's fine, but having the mesh is best when you want to toss it in with other clothes or other pants and things like that. This way, you're not risking the chance of something tearing into the fabric. And then next, using the dishwasher, you want to be careful with doing that as well, because of the high heat in the dishwasher will potentially mess up the fabric. Not gonna lie about it, but it will work with cleaning a lot of the grime and gook out of the hat. And then with the soaking method, one of the things you want to be careful with is leaving the hat in the solution for too long, especially when it comes to white hat. White hats have a tendency to turn yellow if you leave it into a warm or hot bath for too long, and the grease and grime that you have soaked into the hat will take a little bit longer to get out because you're going to need the silicone brush or another microfiber towel to get a lot of that grime out since you left it in the water soaking for too long. The main point of the soaking method is so that it sits in the water or solution you created for a couple hours, and then you actually take it out of the bath and start using a microfiber towel to get a lot of the gunk and hair products that's been stuck in the hat for so long out. And before I continue to the last tool I've been using a lot with cleaning the hats, I want to let you know that at the bottom of this video, I'm going to leave a link to my newsletter where I'm going to put even more detail about a lot of methods using each of these tools and some of the mistakes I've encountered with using these tools, and so you can avoid them yourself when you're cleaning your favorite vintage hat, your favorite everyday wear hat, etc., etc. So make sure you take a look at that link below. Now, my third and final tool is automatic hat cleaner and steamer system. This hat cleaner you might have seen it online, but here's the truth: they're great for reshaping and deodorizing the hat. I'm not sure why it says that it cleans the hats on a description if you were to search it on Amazon, because it doesn't clean, but it does help with reshaping and deodorizing a hat by far. But before I even found this actual reshaper and steamer, I was actually using a commercial grade hat cleaning machine bought from China years ago, as you can see in this photo of me trying to clean a hat. But I was actually using this to reshape the hat. Compared to the cost of this new automatic hat cleaner and that big commercial grade one, by 5 times less in cost, and it's easy to operate compared to my original hat shaper that I used to use. And here are some of the results, like the before and after of using this new machine. It works just as good as my older machine, as you can see from this photo here. Here's where you get the magic. Combine all these methods in the right order, using the foam pump cleaning followed by, say, soaking method needed, and then finishing off with hat reshaper and steamer. You're gonna get that professional look and that excellent clean that you're looking. Voila, there you go. Those are some of my newly found secrets of cleaning some of these hats. Now, hopefully these 3 tools will help you out in your future endeavors in cleaning your hat, that vintage hat that you so cherish. I'm actually going to leave the link to where you can get some tools on Amazon down below on this video. And if you have any questions about these tools or even other methods, leave a question in here in the comment section, or contact me on our Facebook page at Laundryverse. And also, if you want to learn more professional cleaning techniques, just check out some of my information on my Facebook page at Laundryverse. But, and also if you're looking to get started in the cleaning business or the laundry business or even specialized different services, I'll cover a lot of different things there as well, from all aspects of the different tech strategies I've in the laundry. So until next time, keep it clean in the Laundryverse. I'm out.